Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Understanding Null and Empty Variables in Python, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. In Python, variables can take on various values, including null or empty values. Understanding how to work with null or empty variables is crucial for writing robust and error-resistant code. This tutorial will explore the concepts of null and empty variables in Python, along with practical examples to illustrate their usage. In the example above, null_variable is explicitly assigned the value none, and the if statement checks whether the variable is null. In this example, empty_string is assigned an empty string, and the if statement checks whether the string is empty. Here, empty_list is assigned an empty list, and the if statement checks whether the list is empty. This example demonstrates a conditional check for both null and empty variables, ensuring that the code handles these cases appropriately. Conclusion. Understanding and effectively handling null and empty variables is essential for writing robust and error-tolerant Python code. Whether dealing with none or empty strings, lists, or other data structures, being aware of these concepts will help you create more reliable and maintainable programs. ChatGPT